I gave you my heart.
Okay guys, so welcome ulit sa ating YouTube channel. So ito na yung lesson 1.4 ng combinatorial analysis sa ating probability. So this is all about combination. Okay, so combination is an arrangement of objects or things without reference to the order in which they are arranged. So again, balikan natin what is permutation. Kung naalala nyo, si permutation is yung arrangement nung R objects in n objects. So meaning, kino-consider natin sa permutation, for example, si ABC, kino-consider natin na kunyari si A na punta sa pangatlo, consider pa rin natin siya as counted as permutation. Kung parang different. Dito, ang pinagkaiba, ito nga sabi no, thus, ABC, CBA, and BAC are all combinations although they are different permutations. So again, sila ay count as one pag sinabi natin combination, pero they are different permutation pag sinabi natin permutation. So kasi nga dito kino-consider kasi dito without reference to the order or yung parang pangalan or something. Okay, so ito yung malaking pinagkaiba niya. So another thing dito, mas pag kunyari kinuha mo si permutation tapos kinuha mo yung combination, laging mas marami yung permutation sa combination. Okay, so obvious naman, lagi mas marami si permutation kay combination. Ayun isa sa mga pwede ko ma-secure sa inyo. Okay? So, we have notation and terminology para dito. So, we define in that symbol that is n taken r. So, that is read is n taken r. Okay? So, this is the binomial, parang tawag dito sa binomial coefficient or something. Ito yung parang sa tawag dito sa combination. So, combination notation natin. So, that is n taken r for r is less than or equal to n. So, pwede sila mag-equal. Pero dapat mas maliit lagi si r. By n taken r is equal to n factorial over n minus r factorial times r factorial. So, in other book or sa high school, or kung napansin mo ng senior high school, ang ang combination is can be written as NCR. Okay? Or n taken r. So, this is just equal. Itong dalawang to is equal lang. Okay, so n taken r saka si NCR is equal lang. Equivalent siya. So sir, bakit ito po yung ginagamit mo? Since college na kayo, so since higher mathematics pa to, so pang third year, pang second year na to actually. So dapat medyo intindihin niyo siya totally. So again, gagamit kasi ako ng mga notation na ganito. Usually pagdating natin ng mga expectation, ng mga variance, usually pag yung mga formula na papagamit ko na. Okay, so mas ginagamit ko, so mas prepare ko to. Pero again, magkapares lang yan. Si NCR saka si n taken r. Okay, so n taken r din actually basa dyan. So NCR lang kasi yun yung mas madali. Okay, so and we say that n taken r or NCR represent the number of possible combinations of n object taken r at a time. Okay, so again, mamaya makita mo sa example ano ba pinagkaiba na ito ni permutation sa ni combination. Okay, so let's have properties muna para maintindihan mo. Okay, so sabi dito, n taken 0 is just equal sa n taken n, which is equal to 1. So again, pag nakita ka ng n taken 0, for example, 3 taken 0, that is 1. 3 taken 3, that is also 1. Okay, next is n taken I is equal to 0. So kailan magiging 0? If si I is less than 0, so meaning that is negative, or I is greater than n. So for example, or for instance, we have, kunyari, 3 taken negative 1, this is automatic 0. Or we have 2 taken 3, that is automatic 0 kasi binabiolate niya yung rule. So hindi mo pwedeng sabihin dito na undefined. Since may property tayo, kunyari nabigyan ka sir, 2 taken 3 sir, undefined kasi based sa definition r is less than or equal to n. No, that is not undefined. So based sa property, that is 0. Okay, so tandaan yan. Next is n taken 1 is just n. Okay, n taken 1 is just n. Number 4, n taken n minus 1 is just n also. So meaning n taken 1 is equal to n taken n minus 1. Okay, so pwede natin sabihin yan. Lastly, number 5, n taken r is just equal sa n minus 1 taken r minus 1 plus n minus 1 taken r, where 1 is less than or equal to r, less than or equal to n. Okay, so ayun yung mga restrictions. So ito gagamitin natin to sooner pag mga nagsa-show na tayo, naggagawa na tayo ng formula or nagde-derive na tayo ng formula. Okay, so for example na lang para makita kayo ng kahit paano solving dito. So suppose we need to evaluate for example 5 taken 0, 5 taken 2. Kunyari 5 taken 2. So 5 taken 2 using yung formula natin. This is just 5C2. So dalawa kasi yan. this is just equal sa 5 factorial all over 5 minus 2 factorial times 2 factorial. This is just equal sa 5 times 4 times 3 factorial. Titigil ko dyan. Bakit sir? Kasi dito magkakaroon ng 3 factorial multiplied by 2 factorial. Obviously ito ay cancel. Note that 2 factorial is just 2. So this is just 5 times 4 is 20 divided by 2, that is 10. Okay, so it's either dun sa dalawa. So, kaya ko lang kayo sinasanay na 5 taken 2, o 5 taken 2 rin naman talaga totally basa dito. Kaya ko lang sinasanay kayo na ganitong notation kasi nga gagamitin natin sooner dun sa mga iba pang formula. So, I guess mas maganda masanay tayo sa ganitong form. Okay, although dito sa mga example gagamitin ko yung NCR or something. Okay, so let's have example para dito maintindihan nyo ano ba pinagkaiba ni permutation sa ni combination. Okay, so example. A class consists of 5 boys and 7 girls. So again, meron daw 5 boys and 7 girls sa isang class, ang konti. Okay, so letter A, in how many ways can the class elect the president, vice, and secretary? Letter B, in how many ways can the class elect 3 members of the certain committee? Okay, so ito na yung consider nyo. Sa letter A, masasabi ko siyang permutation. Sir, bakit? Kasi may specific pangalan or specific order na nilagay. Sir, paano mo nasabing order? President, Vice, Secretary, alam natin kung sino una dyan. Tama? So, meaning, permutation pagdating sa una. So, ilan sila? 3. So, meaning, yung una, o yung letter A natin, this is just simply 12P3. Which is equal sa, ano yung 12P3? Using yung calculator ko na lang. So, 12P3, 12P3, this is just 1,320. So this is just 1,320 ways. Okay, next is letter B. In how many ways can the class elect 3 members of a certain committee? So in this case naman, wala na tayong pakialam kung sino yung vice president or yung secretary. Gusto lang natin 3 members. So kumbaga may 3 members yung isang committee. Okay, so this is all about combination. So this is already a combination. Okay, so ngayon sir, medyo may tanong po ako. Kasi po parang last time sa isang example mo po sir sa permutation, may example ka po about heptagon. Okay, so balikan ko lang. Kasi sir, how many 4-letter permutation? So, kunyari, tinanggal ko yung word na permutation dyan. How many 4-letter can be formed from the letters in the word heptagon? Pag ganun yung sinabi, walang word na permutation, automatic, combination yan. So, automatic magiging 8C4 yan. Or 8 taken 4 yan. Kasi nga, hindi natin kukonsider yung order. Pero then, since sinabi permutation, alam natin na may order yung mga letter, regardless kahit anong letter yan. Pero, unlike dito, balik tayo dito, in how many ways can the class elect 3 members of a certain committee? So meaning, may certain committee na 3 sila mismo sa group as a whole, pero wala tayong kinoconsider na arrangement nila sa loob. Kumbaga, o silang a-arrange sila literal, pero hindi natin alam kung ilan sila. Okay, so ayun yung isa sa ko-consider natin dito. So therefore, this is basically equal sa, lagay ko na lang as, this is 12C3 or 12 taken 3, or lagay ko lang 12C3. Sir, bakit po 12? 12 kasi 5 boys and 7 girls. So 5 plus 7 is 12. O baka magtanong ko, sir, bakit ganun? Okay, next is equal to sa, this is just 12 factorial over 12 minus 3 factorial. Okay. Then multiplied by 3 factorial. So, again, sa calcu meron ulit tayong ganyan. So, this is 12C3. So, kung nakikita mo yan, yung C3, so, ayun yun. Okay, nag-shift lang ako. So, that is 12C3. Automatic, that's 220. So, ano napansin mo? Mas konti pag combination. Ayun yung pinagkaiba ni permutation kay combination. Kay permutation, since consider ko pa yung arrangement nila, i-consider ko sila as different. Pagdating kay combination, wala na akong pakialam kung sino sila, basta darating sa point na magkakapareha sila dun. Kasi nga, gusto ko lang yung arrangement lang nila as a whole. Kumbaga, sa group, ilang different tree. Pagdating sa permutation, yung arrangement nila, yung kino-consider natin out of 10 or out of n members. Ganun yung ibig sabihin. So, this is just 220 ways. Okay, so hoping na pag-iba ko yung idea nyo about permutation and combination. Okay, then proceed tayo. So, hindi ko na i-skip yung video. So, gusto ko na kasing magtuloy-tuloy. Okay, so, let's have example number 2. Okay, so ito medyo medyo mapapaisip ka, sir, paano? So, in how many ways can a student, so assuming sino ba pwede nating student, so for example, kuha tayo ng estudyante na mabait, so for example na lang si Kurt. Si Kurt kasi laging una sa Google Meet yan so parang way ko na lang para maano kayo dito. So pag mga example, kaya pag mamamatay, example ko rin kayo, okay, magalala. So in how many ways can Kurt, so kunyari si Kurt daw magsasagot ng 5 out of 8 questions. So for example, ako yung nagbigay, Kurt, solve mo nga tong 5, or I guess multiple choice or sorry, sige, solving. So Kurt, solve mo nga tong 5, kung magsagot ka nga ng 5 dito sa 8 tanong ko. So kumbaga incomplete siya. Kurt, incomplete ka So gusto ko magsagot ka ng 5 dito sa 8 question ko. Pero ang gusto ko, Kurt, sabi ko, if he is required to answer the 3 of the first 4 question. Sir, ba't ganun? Kasi ganito ginawa ko. Sa 8 question, yung 4 na question ko, yung unang 4 na tanong ko is mahirap. Kumbaga babagsak si Kurt. Kumbaga hindi naman totally kumbaga sinadya ko. Kung gano'n lang yung kumbaga scenario ko So actually, yun ang setup. Okay, so again, may 8 tanong ang gusto ko sagutan muna ni Kurt. So magsasagot siya ng 5 dun sa 8 tanong, pero ang gusto ko, yung first 4 question, magsagot siya dun 3 kahit sino dun. O kahit ano yung mauna dun. Then the rest, bahala ka na. Basta ang target mo, 5 lang. Okay, 5 lang yung papasagot ko sa kanya. Again, back tayo dito. So, positioning ko lang. So, mahilig lang ako mag-box. Magpaguhit ng ganyan para makita nyo. Actually, hindi naman talaga dapat ganyan. That's 1, 2, 3, 8. So, 8 yan. Okay, so, ang requirement ko, sabi ko, Kurt, sagutan mo yun dito. Ito yung first 4 question. Okay, Kurt, sagutan mo yung 3 dyan sa 4 na question ko. Then, ilan ba yung record sagutan ni Kurt? Ang record sagutan ni Kurt is 5 lang naman out of 8. Okay, so hindi mo kasi pwedeng, so kunyari sinabi ko lang, in how many ways can Kurt answer 5 out of 8 question? Ang sasagot mo lang, 8 taken 5. Ganun kasimple. Pero dito, meron akong setup. Kumbaga, Kurt, sagutan mo nga yung 3 una sa 4. So, sir, ibig sabihin, dito, pwedeng hindi na sagutan yung una, pero record nyo nang sagutan yung 3 sunod. Pwedeng sagutan nyo yung una, skip nyo si 2, sagutan niyo yung 3 and 4. Pwedeng sagutan niyo yung 1 and 2, hindi niya sagutan yung 3, sagutan niyo yung 4. Ganun yung setup ng tanong na to. Then the rest, siyempre, since 3 yung kailangan niya sagutan dito, ilan na lang dapat sagutan niya sa mga remaining? 2, kasi 5 na lang yung sagot niya. Ngayon, ito yung gagawin natin. Ang unang mangyayari dyan, siyempre, dahil sa unang 4, kailangan magsagot ni Kurt ng 3, that is simply 4 taken 3. That is 4 taken 3. Multiplied by principle of counting, by fundamental principle of counting, ano mangyayari? Nakasagot na si Kurt ng 3 dun sa first 4 question. Ngayon, ilan na lang yung kulang na record na sagutan ni Kurt? Sir, 2 na lang po. Pero ilan na lang ba yung tanong na natitira? Sir, 4 po. Kasi po sir, doon po sa 4 na tanong, may 3 siyang sinagutan. So meaning may in-skip na siya doon. Okay? So sir, paano po yung tanong na ganito? Paano sir, kung ginawa ni Kurt, nagsagot siya ng 3 doon. Okay, kung ba sir, nagsagot siya ng 3 dito. Tapos, kunyari, nasagot niya yung 1, 2, 3. Sinagot niya po yung 4. Kumbaga, isa na lang sinagot niya sa remaining na 4. Pwede po ba yan, sir? No. Bakit? He is required to answer the 3 of the first 4 question. Okay, so he is required to answer 3 of the first 4 question. So, I think, sa scenario niya, hindi na siya literal, hindi na dapat philosophy na, sir, paano ko sinagutan niya po yung isa dito para lang mag-count na isa na nasasagutan niya sa remaining na 4? Hindi ganun. So, kasi nga, ang setup lang, sagutan mo, out of 4 questions, sagutan mo lang yung 3. Sa first 4 questions, sagutan mo lang yung 3. Yun yung setup natin. Okay, next is, pagdating dito, may 2 na lang siyang required sagutan. Ngayon, ilan na lang ba yung natitirang tanong? Ang natitirang tanong na lang is 4. So, meaning, ilan sasagutan niyo dun? That is 4 taken 2. Okay, so, simply, using our computation, ilan siya? That is 4C3. Tama? So, pag in-input mo sa calculator, that is 4C3 multiplied by 4C2. Okay, so, ganyan sa calculator siya. That is 24 ways. So may 24 ways para masagutan ni Kurt yung gusto ko. So this is 24 ways. Okay, so hoping na intindihan mo yung setup na ginagawa ko, yung mga paano ko siya ini-imagine, paano ko ini-explain. So ganun ko siya. Kaya medyo tumatagal din totally yung video natin. Okay, so number 3. A box contains 7 red and 6 green balls. So in how many ways 2 balls be drawn such that they are both green? Letter B, 1 is red, 1 is green. So meaning meron daw box. So assuming may box tayo dito. So gamitin ko yung pagiging artistic ko. Tada, box yan. Okay, so may mga bola dyan. So may 7 red, tapos may 6 na green. Okay, so yung unang tanong, in how many ways, o kunyari, in how many ways 2 balls can be drawn such that they are both green? So dalawang bola lang. So kunyari bumunot ako, may 7 red, may 6 na green doon. So hindi na ako mapag-example eh. So in how many ways they are both green? So paano yun? So for letter A, napakasimple lang yan. Ilan ba yung green? Sir, meron pong 6 na green. Okay. So again, hindi mo dito i-consider yung as a totality. So kunyari, sir, 13 taken 2. Hindi ganon. Sir, pag sinabi mong 13 taken 2, kunyari kasi 13, sir ba 13? 7 plus 6, 13. Just since dalawa lang. Pag sinabi kong 13 taken 2, random yan. Kumbaga, it's either green, blue, green, red, red, green, red, red, green, green. Ganyan kasi yung mga setup na mangyayari dyan. Okay, pero ang kino-consider natin, yung sigurado, since combination, yung sigurado na fix na green yung makukuha ko. Ngayon, sir, paano man sabi na green makukuha ko? Sure ako na green makukuha ko pag kinuha ko yung 6 taken 2. Okay, so that is 6 taken 2. This is 6 taken 2, which is equal sa 6 C2. So, ilan yung 6 taken 2 na yan? So, 6 taken 2 is just 15. So, this is just 15 way na merong green. Okay, letter B. So, ito obvious. 1 is red, 1 is green. So, meaning, 7 taken 1 times 6 taken 1. Kasi isang red, isang green. Yun is sure natin. So meaning, so for letter B, this is just 7 taken 1 multiplied by 6 taken 1. Sir, bakit ka nag-multiply? By principle, by fundamental principle of counting, event 1, yung 1 is red, event 2, yung 1 is green. So out of 7, may isa ako mabubunot. Out of 6, may isa ako mabubunot. Pero hindi yan secure, pero hindi yan sure. Kumbaga, ito lang yung possible way. Kumbaga, nakabunot ako sure. So, ito lang yung possible way. So, this is just... So, by property, kung naalala nyo, pag n taken 1, that is n. So, meaning, 7 taken 1 is 7. 6 taken 6, 6 taken 1 is 6. So, this is just 42 ways. Ganun siya kasimple. Okay, next is for number 4. So, ito yung mga favorite ng mga nagtotong itch dyan. So, sabi, a poker hand consists of 5 cards. So, meaning tayo ay maglalaro ng poker. So, 5 cards. 5 cards dealt from an ordinary deck of 52 playing cards. So, again, ordinary deck of 52 playing cards. Letter A, how many possible poker hands are there? So, again, a poker hand consists of 5 cards. So, kumbaga sa poker, so 5 lang yung cards ko na rin. Binabala, binibigyan ka ng 5. Ganun siya sa poker. So, how many possible poker hands are there? So, meaning how many possible poker hands are there? So, obvious yung letter A, no? Sara yung letter A. So, that is simply 52 taken 5. Kasi 5 lang naman yung bubunutin natin eh. Okay, so for letter A, bilisan ko na konti. So, for letter A, this is 52 taken 5. So, this is 52 taken 5. So, using yung calculator na lang. That is 52 taken 5. Sorry, 52 taken 5. So, napakahaba nga. So, that is 2,598,960. So, this is 2,598,960. Okay, so ways. O possible combination niya. Okay, now, for letter B, how many different hands? So, hindi yung kamay ha. So, poker hands yung tinutukoy dyan ha. Baka sabi, sir, how many different hands? Sir, kung ilan yung player ng poker. Hindi ganun yun. So, how many different hands are there consisting of 3 aces and 2 kings? Again, consisting of 3 aces and 2 kings. So, kagaya nung kanina dito, ang total niya is 13. Pero may mga group tayo na may 7 red at 6 green. So dito, ganun din. May mga group din tayo sa 52 playing cards. Kung aware ka. Sa 52 playing cards, may dalawang color. Tama? So sa 52 playing cards, sa 52 cards natin sa baraha, may dalawang class, may dalawang color. So may 26 na red, may 26 na black. Okay? Another thing na hati niya is merong 4 na suit. So ano naman yung suit? Ang suit is yung clubs, yung clubs, yung heart, yung diamond, tapos yung tawag dito, yung clubs, yung diamond, tapos yung spade. Okay, so ilan yung suit natin? There are 13 suit each. So may 13 heart, 13 diamonds, 13 clubs, tapos 13 spades. So ayun yung may isa. Ko lang 13 na heart, 13 na spade, or ito yung tawag dito malunggay, tapos 13 na diamond, tapos 13 na spade. Ang kabote ako dyan. So yan yung mga isang difference sa suit. So next is yung ano pa ba, yung there are 4 types kada. Kunyari may 4 aces, 4 na 2, may 4 na 2, may 4 na jack, may 4 na king, may 4 na queen. Tama, may ganun pang cases eh. Okay, tapos may face card. Pag sinabi may face card, yung jack, queen, and king. Okay, pag number card, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. So that is ace up to 10. So consider mo yung ganung bilang. So that isipin mo yan. Ngayon, ito yung sabi. So letter B, for how many different hands are there consisting of 3 aces, okay, and 2 kings. Again, 3 aces and 2 kings. So ilan yung ace in total sa ating card? Sir, 4. 4 lang po yung ace dyan. So una, this is 4 taken 3. Okay, so sure na ako may 3 na akong card. Okay, so next is multiplied ko siya sa 2 kings. So ilan yung kings sa ating buong card? There are 4 kings din po, sir. So there are 4 taken 2. So this is 4 taken 2. So ilan to? This is just 4 taken 3. So this is 4 taken 3. 4 taken 3 multiplied by 4 taken 2. Okay, that is 24. Okay, 4 taken 3 multiplied by 4 taken 2, that is 24. So sorry, in-skip ko na yung ating solution kasi obvious naman na yung ating formula na yun. Okay, letter C. How many different hands are there consisting of all red cards? So gusto ko, kunyari yung card mo dapat puro red lang. So parang pluses, no? So ganun sa term niya. Tama ba pluses? Ay, hindi iba yung pluses. Iba yung pluses sa may pusoy. So something na basta red lang siya. So hindi siya pwede pluses. Sorry. So red lang. So ilan in totality, ilan yung red sa ating 52 cards? So there are 26 red. So since 5 yung poker hand na gusto niyo mangyari kasi all red yung mangyari, that is 26 taken 5. So this is just 26 taken 5. So this is just equal sa 26 taken 5. That is 65,780. That is 65,780 ways. Okay, letter D. So for letter D, how many different hands are there consisting of 2 hearts, 2 diamonds, and 1 spade? So since yung suit yung pinag-uusapan, ito na yung mga yan. So sabing suit. So ilan yung heart sa ating card? There are 13 hearts, 13 diamonds, and 13 spade. So meaning, una, we have 13 taken 2 para sa heart. Okay, ito yung para sa dalawang heart. Multiplied by 13 taken 2 para sa dalawang diamond. Okay, multiplied by 13 taken 1 para sa isang spade. Okay, so meaning, all in all, yung card ko 5. Okay, yan yung possible combination na lalabas. So, therefore, this is just equal sa 13 taken 2. Okay, or 2 times 13 taken plus 13 taken 1. Okay, that is 2028, sorry. That is 2028 ways. Okay, so before ko end, check ko lang din. Baka mali yung solution ni sir. Okay, so ayun nga, baka nga mali yung solving ni sir. So ayun, mali yung solving ni sir dito. Hindi dapat ganyan. That's 13 taken 2 multiplied by 13 taken 2. Okay, then multiplied by 13 taken 1. Ayun, 79,000. Mali, ginawa ko kasi ganun 2, 13 taken. Ginawa ko kasi in-input ko sa calculator ganito. So nagkamali ako. Ginawa ko input ko 2 times 13C2 times 13C1. So ito X wag na wag niyo gagawin sa calculator. So as if gawin mo 13 taken 2 times 13 taken 2. Nabobo ko dun sa part na yun. So consider ko isang variable to. Kumbaga, so ito ay X. So ano yung sagot natin? This is 79,092 ways. So at least buti na check ko na ating solution. So ganun si combination. So hoping na naintindihan mo anong pinagkaiba ni combination. So ano yung mga tip or technique na pwede mong gawin pagdating dito kay combination. So again, dito naman kino-consider yung positioning. So for example, secure ko yung tatlo. Tulad nga nito, no, there are 3 aces. So sinecure ko na yung tatlo times sinecure ko yung dalawa. Ayun yung ibig sabihin. Hindi yung at random kunin ko lahat yung possibility. Hindi ganun yun. Okay, dito kasi parang kinuha ko na yung possibility in a positive sense. Kumbaga, okay, secure ko na kunin ko na nga itong tatlo out of this. Yun yung mga gusto kong gawin. Okay, so that's all for this video. Again, hoping na manood ka pa sa mga next video natin dito. So again, thank you for watching.